Pawar, I come to the question, should there not be absolutely clean politics? Isn't that something that the Aam Aadmi Party wanted when they started their new party? Is this the opposition's new challenge, that they don't want clean politics, they want to run governments from jails? Is that the new agenda that you want to set before this country? Number one. And number two, if you are saying there is vote chori in Bihar, why is there no proof? Why is no political party going and helping the citizens of Bihar कि उनका वोट चोरी ना हो? Today the Supreme Court has called you out on that one. Would you want to respond? आप अब तक थे कहाँ?
Navika ji, every Indian wants clean politics and every Indian deserves clean politics. But the fact is that the Honorable Supreme Court recently in various judgments has held that the investigative agencies, central investigative agencies like Enforcement Directorate, they have crossed all limits. They are working like caged parrots. They are arresting individuals without any evidence. They are politicizing legal proceedings, and they have flagged blatant misuse of these agencies. And in the center, we have a political party which has perfected the art of weaponizing investigative agencies. They impose false cases, then they put opposition leaders behind bars. I am saying this because 95% of the cases in last 10 years have been filed against opposition leaders. Out of 6,000 cases, only 15 have resulted in conviction. That is less than 0.25%. And this is how their Operation Lotus runs in full display.
Now you have told us about the Supreme Court observations against the ED and CBI. Do you recall the observations of how the Supreme Court commented when ministers were working from jail and not resigning from their positions? Will you comment on those observations also, sir, or are you having amnesia?
I'm coming to your question. The fact is that law of the land says that a person is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Unless there's a constitutional amendment in Article 368, this law cannot be brought in. This is unconstitutional, this is undemocratic, and this is a step towards Tanashahi. Without trial, without proof, without evidence, you want a person to be declared guilty. This is how the Bharatiya Janata Party want to legalize Operation Lotus.
Nobody is saying that the people will be declared guilty. All they are saying is go through the process of trial, but if you are in jail for 30 consecutive days, you can't run a government.
But that's a warning. That's a warning for Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar.
In Satyendra Jain's case, after 2 years, the CBI filed a closure report. BJP के प्रवक्ता कहते थे जी भ्रष्टाचार हो गया हजारों करोड़ का. After 2 years, they are saying that not a single evidence. They don't have a single evidence.
Excuse me, you are citing facts very selectively. 1 minute, Sudhanshu Trivedi, that after Satyendra Jain's case that they are talking about was not the case on which Satyendra Jain was arrested. They are talking about the PWD case. उसमें अरेस्ट हुआ ही नहीं था, उसमें क्लोजर हुई है. The other two cases are going on.
For any government servant, if it remains in jail for just 2 days, he is suspended from his post. And for Chief Minister, he is saying for 30 days he should continue ruling from the jail. And this is the new avatar of a new politics.
Fine on a person who filed a PIL saying that there is no constitutional provision which debars a sitting chief minister to operate from jail.
Yes.
Because you have filed fabricated cases against him. That is why the Honorable Supreme Court said that even after thousands of raids, even countless investigation, not a single penny has been recovered.
Please hear the response.
Against him.
Please hear.
On the false cases, I would like to quote.
You should apologize.
अपने टर्न पे बोलिए सर. अब मैं बताना चाहता हूं, just recently concluded Delhi election. Congress party's stand is first allegation was put by Congress party on liquor scam, not by us. And Congress party का इसी इलेक्शन में जवाब है, ये जो है बिल्कुल ये सही जेल में है और इनको लिक्वर स्कैम पे सजा होनी चाहिए. अरविंद केजरीवाल का ट्वीट है, This National Herald case is an open and shut case for corruption. अब भाई साहब आप पहले ये तय कर लो कि false allegation किसका है. आप एक दूसरे को क्या तरीका है भाई बीच में बोलने का. I have just quoted, millions of viewers can see. ये एक दूसरे को तो firmly conviction है. और केजरीवाल जी का तो वीडियो अवेलेबल है. तब तक तो सोनिया गांधी जी का कहीं नाम नहीं था. डालो सोनिया गांधी को जेल में और 2 दिन के अंदर उनसे अगर पूछताछ की जाए तो सब निकल आएगा. और ये तो वो कहते थे राइट टू रिजेक्ट, राइट टू रिकॉल. ये कहते थे एलिगेशन लगते ही इस्तीफा होना चाहिए, जांच नहीं। आज कहते जेल में जाने के बाद भी इस्तीफा नहीं होना चाहिए। इसे कहते हैं कि क्या से क्या हो गए, देखते देखते बड़े मासूम लगते थे मेरे सनम। अब मैं दूसरी बात कहना चाहता हूं, इन लोगों ने ये कहा, देखिए बड़ी मजेदार बात क्या है, पार्लियामेंट में 2 बिल पास हुए, एक तो गेमिंग वाला ऐप और एक 130th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट। यानी हम जुआरियों और भ्रष्टाचारियों पर नकेल कस रहे थे और ये घुसपैठियों के पक्ष में नारे लगा रहे थे। ये उनको डिफेंड करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। दोनों में फंडामेंटल डिफरेंस है। और मैं कहना चाहता हूं एक लाइन, बताइए आप अपने
to throw all those corrupt from your party.
एक मिनट में सीधे कहना चाहता हूं, योर स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट हैपेंड अबाउट केजरीवाल स्टेटमेंट, एलिगेशन लगते ही इस्तीफा, मुझे चाहिए जन लोकपाल। और जन लोकपाल ये कहेगा आरोप लगते ही बोलो क्या हो गया भाई, वो टोपी कहां गई जन लोकपाल वाली? आज कहते हैं जेल जाके इट्स नॉट द इशू ऑफ करप्शन केस। मैं एक हाइपोथेटिकल बात कहना चाहता हूं, अगर जेल में रहकर तो यूपी बिहार में तमाम लोग मिनिस्टर है, बड़े बड़े घोषित क्रिमिनल्स, आतंकवादी, आज हमारे 2 मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट जेल में हैं बिकॉज दे आर एलिगेशन, अमृतपाल सिंह और इंजीनियर रशीद। दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू कंडक्ट द ऑफिशियल पार्लियामेंट्री बिजनेस। इफ दे हैव टू कंडक्ट, दे हैव टू टेक द परमिशन ऑफ द कोर्ट। वो जमानत लेकर कोर्ट में आ सकते हैं। और आप कहेंगे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बिजनेस होना चाहिए। कारण जानते हैं कि इन्होंने बिल्कुल सही कहा, जब हाई कोर्ट में केस गया था तो यह बात कोर्ट ने कहा कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहीं ऐसा क्लियर नहीं लिखा है, क्योंकि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वालों ने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि मॉरल वैल्यूज का इतना बड़ा लो आएगा कि जेल में जाकर भी कोई सरकार से इस्तीफा नहीं देगा। कम से कम इतनी मॉरलिटी तो लालू जी ने रखी, जयललिता ने रखी, करुणानिधि ने रखी,
हेमंत
सोरेन ने रखी, हेमंत सोरेन ने रखी और मधु कोड़ा ने रखी। मगर नई राजनीति के नया आविर्भाव लेकर जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी आए थे, उन्होंने एक नया स्वरूप दिखाया। दिस शोज द एक्सपेरिमेंटल politics can be how detrimental for the country.
10 seconds. Navika ji, BJP preach about ethics and about fighting corruption, yet you were the one who committed electoral bond scam. You were caught cheating in Punjab mayoral polls, and the same leaders, the same leaders whom Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the ramparts of the airport used to, from the ramparts of the Red Fort used to say कि वो इतने बड़े भ्रष्टाचारी, अजीत पवार, मुकुल रॉय, शुभेंदु अधिकारी, why are they in your party? Why are they in your party?
बोला भाई, किसके भ्रष्टाचारी बोला? बोलिए,
मैं बता दूं, मैं आपको स्पीच दे दूं उनकी।
लाल किले से
कह रहे थे ना,
लाल किले से from the rampart of Red Fort,
कहा था कि भ्रष्टाचार मिटाएंगे।
Okay, we'll do a fact check. My research team is going to do a fact check if this was stated from the ramparts of the Red Fort. But
का नाम लिया हो कभी rampart of air?
Karan Verma, it brings me to the question that today Home Minister Amit Shah has said that if Kejriwal had resigned from his post, if Satyendra Jain had resigned from his post when they were in jail, there would be no need for such a law. The law was brought in because the Supreme Court had made an observation saying that right now there is no law under which we can remove such people, and therefore in a vacuum this morality lies on the Chief Minister at that time, Kejriwal, to take a decision on Satyendra Jain. But those are not the high moral standards that the Aam Aadmi Party is talking about today. What are they talking about? They are talking about अजीत पवार के साथ ये हुआ था, अपनी बात नहीं कर रहे. Is this really why they came to bring in a change in the political standards of India?
So Navika ji, when Kejriwal said that I am here to change politics, he actually meant it. He meant it because he took it to such abysmal depths that we would be today standing here and thinking कि कोई ऐसा भी हो सकता है जो सीएम की कुर्सी से चिपका रहे. And Navika ji, I want to bring an important fact. Leave aside morality. Morality तो चलो मान लेते थोड़ा सा, it's dead perhaps in politics. But governance के standpoint से, do you know how many meetings was Kejriwal allowed in a week as per the Tihar jail manual? 2 meetings. We have a CM who could conduct 2 meetings while Delhi was flooded. People were dying because of electrocution. This is the shamelessness to which governance was brought down by Arvind Kejriwal. And no wonder he lost from his own seat after that. So, आपने शुरुआत करी थी that चोरी is the one word that sums it. Actually, the one phrase that sums this session is चोर मचाए शोर. And the Supreme Court has said it. भाई क्यों शोर मचा रहे हो? What are your BLA agents doing? If 12 parties, they said 65 lakh voters को public कर दो. They were made public within 12 hours. What have you done? 22 days of the draft electoral roll being out, you have failed to raise a single complaint. आप आधार तक नहीं किसी का ले जा पाए हो. That is the complete failure of this opposition जो शोर मचा रहे हैं. कोई चारा